Removing scratches from your car can help restore its appearance and protect the paint from further damage. While deep scratches may require professional help, many light to moderate scratches can be fixed at home using simple methods and readily available products. The first step is to assess the depth of the scratch. Light surface scratches that haven't penetrated the clear coat can usually be polished out, while deeper ones that go down to the paint or metal may need more attention. To start, wash the scratched area thoroughly with car soap and water to remove any dirt or debris. This prevents further scratching during the repair process. After drying the area with a microfiber cloth, you can begin with a scratch removal product. One common option is rubbing compound, which can be found at auto parts stores. Apply a small amount to a clean applicator pad or cloth, and rub it into the scratch in a circular motion. Work on a small section at a time, applying light to moderate pressure. This process removes a very thin layer of the clear coat, which helps level out the scratch. After rubbing for a few minutes, wipe off the excess product with a clean microfiber towel. You may need to repeat the process a couple of times for better results. Once the scratch is less visible or gone, follow up with a polishing compound to restore the shine of the area. Again, apply it with a soft cloth and buff in circular motions. For slightly deeper scratches, touch-up paint matched to your car's color can be used. First, clean the area and let it dry. Then, carefully apply the paint using a fine brush or pen applicator, filling only the scratch. Allow the paint to dry completely, usually for several hours or overnight. After drying, use wet sandpaper, 2000 or 3000 grit soaked in water to gently smooth the surface. Finish by polishing and waxing the area to blend it with the rest of the car's surface. An alternative method for very fine scratches is using toothpaste, specifically the non-gel, whitening kind. It contains mild abrasives that can help polish out surface imperfections. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to a damp cloth and gently rub it into the scratch. Rinse and dry the area to see if it worked. Once the scratch has been treated, it's a good idea to apply a coat of wax to the repaired area. Wax adds a protective layer and helps hide minor imperfections, while giving the surface a smooth finish. To prevent future scratches, wash your car regularly with the right tools, avoid abrasive cloths, and park away from tight or high-traffic areas. While not every scratch can be completely removed at home, these techniques can significantly improve your car's appearance and save you money on repairs.